Hello friends, in this video I will show how to download latest Windows 11 ISO file official. So open any web browser. Now here search Windows 11 download. So open this first official link microsoft.com. So here the option download Windows 11 disk image ISO. In this drop down select Windows 11 multi edition, then click on download, and here guys select the language like English, then click on confirm. Now here click on download. So guys it's about 5 GB, so you have to wait till this process will complete, and it's depending on your connection speed. So this is the way guys you can download official Windows 11 ISO file. Thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.